Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm going to be installing the M Performance carbon fiber side skirts on my BMW 435. Let's get it. Alright, so this is the packaging that my carbon fiber side skirts came in. So I ordered these from Kies Motorsports. Shout out to Brian and the crew over there at Kies Motorsports for getting these sent out to me very quickly. I actually got a cameraman today, Eric Grand Tour, who's behind the camera. Shout out to him. Make sure you go follow his Instagram. I'll tag that down below. But packaging come in, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. Alright, so just got some cushioning here, some tape, so we're just going to use some scissors. Be very careful while we're opening this. I do not want to damage the side skirt. And we got some, looks like Kies put some of his branding in there. We'll get that in on the shot there. I'm being very careful with this because I do not want to damage this side skirt. Safety first when you're using scissors too. You don't want to cut yourself. All right. Oh man, that looks nice. He's already got the pre-drilled holes there. Also got the Kies brand in there. All right. All right, here's the other side here. Looks great. Hopefully my camera's picking that up and y'all can really see it, but it's got a gloss carbon finish to it. Looks really good. I think this is gonna look really good on my car. I can't wait to get these installed. So the one thing about these side skirts that I was talking with Brian and the crew over there at Kies Motorsports is these are built specifically for the people that have the M Performance, M Sport package on their car. So the M Sport package has a different side skirt here. So these are built specifically for those cars. So definitely if you want to order any of these, make sure if you have the M Sport package in your car, make sure you ask for the M Performance M Sport side skirt. Because it has this groove that goes along the side skirt right here, which actually helps you line it up right. All right, everyone, so also inside the box, you're gonna have these screws here. And so he supplies the screws that you'll need in order to install. And the screws are also black, which are perfect because it helps hide it underneath your car. In case anyone looks underneath there, they see the black screws, so it's not really noticeable. So that's pretty cool that he includes that as well. And so before you start installing the side skirts, you wanna make sure you clean the underside of your car here. Before you put on any carbon, you should always clean the body on where you're putting the carbon on. But right here, we have some 70% isopropyl alcohol, which is going to be great for cleaning it. Just apply that to like a microfiber cloth like we have here. Just make sure the underside and where you're doing the install is going to be super clean. So we're going to do that now. All right, everyone, so I kind of did a test fit. I got this idea from Eric. He was saying use some painter's tape to kind of just line it up and just so you can see how it looks. And man, y'all can see right here exactly how it looks there. It looks really, really good, really aggressive. And definitely think I made a good choice by choosing this M Performance side skirt from Kies. So now let's go ahead and get to the install. All right, everyone. So I want to go over an error that I made. So when y'all saw the taping, I had the space in between the tape, and I thought they would be strong enough to hold it, and it does hold it, but it does make it a little flimsy. So what I'm about to do, as you see, I have it down here. I'm just going to apply tape over the whole entire thing, all the way through. So I'm just going to do that now, and I just want to show y'all that because it was a little flimsy still, just with the tape. And from what I've seen in other videos and other people that put on these side skirts, when you put the tape on it, it should hold it pretty well, and then the screws are just there to reinforce it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply more 3M tape, and I'm gonna do that now, and then we're gonna go back to the install. Alright, so once I got everything realigned and put more tape in, this is way more secure. Like, it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Almost doesn't feel like I need to put any screws in it, but I'm gonna put them in anyway. One, because they were supplied, and two, just gives me more peace of mind. So let's go ahead and put these screws in. So these screws just go right in underneath, and you can use a little tool like this to put them in. Or if you're strong enough, you can use a regular Phillips, but I'll recommend getting a power tool to put them on. So let's do that now. All right, everyone, so I finally got everything installed here, and as you can see here, this isn't going anywhere. So let's just show you the whole view of how it looks, so you can kind of walk and kind of see how it fits along the whole side of the car there. It just looks good, definitely. Take it back there. So yeah, as I sit back and look at it, I'm real happy with it so far. So now I just got to do the other side, which I'm not going to put on video because it's the exact same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then when I pick the video back up tomorrow, it's going to be photos, so y'all can kind of see what it looks like on the car in photos. And then we'll finish up the video, all right? Everyone, so as you just saw from those clips right there, the side skirts look great on the car. Shout out again to Kies Motorsports for hooking me up, helping me out with these side skirts, and also shout out to Eric Grand Tour for assisting me with the install on these side skirts, man. So as y'all can hear in the background, my neighbor's dogs will not let me be great, but we can go ahead and wrap this video up. Please subscribe, like, comment down below, and y'all have a good day. Peace.